I had a strong desire to learn this language because whenever I saw a fluent speaker in front of me, I used to think, I wish I could speak like them. Because I was really passionate about learning this language. But after marriage, it is not easy to learn a language from scratch, especially if you don't know anything regarding English. At that time, you are not a single, you are a married person. You have many responsibilities. You have to take care of your kids, your in-laws, your husband, and all that. And you have to manage all the household work yourself, from cooking to cleaning, everything in your care. So how you can find time yourself? It's very difficult to find time yourself. But I managed time for myself because I wanted to learn this language no matter what. So I kept practicing. After having lunch, I had 2 to 3 hours. On that time, I kept practicing on my own. To be honest, I'm saying I practicing. I kept practicing on my own. And on that time, I used to pretend myself I am a fluent English speaker. Because if you pretending yourself, because pretending is very important if you want to achieve in your life anything. But for that, pretending alone is not enough. You have to put your 100% effort and you have to maintain your consistency. When you keep practicing continuously with this technique, with these benefits, success will definitely be yours. Okay. But in my case, when I was learning this language, I didn't join any online coaching, any institute, any offline tuition, and I didn't enroll myself any online tech. Whatever I learned by using myself. Yes, you are right. By using myself, by just sitting at home all alone. I learned English all alone by just sitting at home. Okay. So that is why I took 10 years to learn this language and to take anyone's support to learn this language. Yeah, because I had completely faith with my hard work. Even if I even if it took time, but I definitely learn this language no matter what. Let's say I'm a very fluent in English. I'm still learning something new every day, every single day I'm learning. Because I have seen many ups and downs while learning this language. Because sometimes I used to think I should give up. I should quit this journey of learning this language because this language is not my cup of tea. And I will never be able to learn this language because it was becoming hard for me. But somehow I didn't give up. I continued my journey of learning this language and I kept practicing on my own and I improved myself. Without taking anyone's support, I improved because I knew sooner or later I would learn this language. So when you truly desire to learn this language, you can achieve it no matter what. Because I have learned all by myself. So you need to just put your 100% effort into it. And if you want to shine like the diamond or like the sun, first you must go through the fire, face the heat, then only will you sparkle, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like. I will meet you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.